How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Start by opening up the Facebook app on your smartphone. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Look for 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the app. Tap on those lines. Once you tap on the lines, you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Look for a gear or settings icon. Tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of different settings and options. Find Meta Account Center. Tap on it. Within the Meta Account Center, you'll find your information and permissions. Tap on that option. Keep scrolling down until you find your activity off Meta Technologies. Tap on it. Here's where you get to wipe the slate clean. Tap on Clear Previous Activity. Facebook will double check with you to make sure you really want to clear your activity log. Tap on Clear to confirm. Just to be absolutely sure, Facebook will ask you one more time. Tap on Clear Previous Activity again. And that's it. Your Facebook activity log is now squeaky clean. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.